This call is now being recorded.
Good morning, students. Okay.
Sir.
Today we'll discuss about advantages and disadvantages of transformer coupled class A power amplifier, and then we'll do one numerical on this transformer coupled class A amplifier. Okay. It's about advantages now. Advantages of transformer coupled class A power amplifier. So the efficiency, the first point is the efficiency of the transformer coupled class A power amplifier is higher than directly coupled power amplifier. Okay. For the directly coupled power amplifier, the frequency was, what is the frequency? Do you remember? What is the frequency of the directly coupled power amplifier? We have derived also. Can you tell me? It is 25%. Okay. And yesterday we have derived the efficiency of this transformer coupled power amplifier. It was 50%, right? So the efficiency of the transformer coupled class A power amplifier is higher than the directly coupled power amplifier. Okay, this is one of the advantages. And second one is the DC current. The DC current that flows through the load that flows through the load means RL. The load in case of directly coupled amplifier is stopped in transformer coupled class A power amplifier. In case of transformer coupled, class A amplifier. Class A power amplifier. Okay. Anyone understood the second point? In the directly coupled amplifier, RL is connected in the collector circuit, is it not? So the direct current will pass through this load resistance RL. Whereas in the case of transformer coupled power amplifier, that RL is not there in the collector circuit. It is connected to the secondary. So there is it is not possible for this current to flow through that, is it not? It is outside the collector circuit. Is it? It is not at all touching the collector circuit. It is connected to secondary. RL is connected to secondary, so the DC current cannot flow through the load resistance. Whereas the DC current flows through the load in the case of directly coupled amplifier is stopped in case of transformer coupled class A power amplifier. That is the meaning here. So the direct current which comes from this source voltage VCC cannot pass through this RL in the case of transformer coupled class A amplifier. Okay, why? Because the load is connected to the secondary of the transformer. It is not connected to the in the collector circuit, right? That is the second point. That is second advantage. And the third one is the impedance matching. The impedance matching required for required for maximum power transfer. Maximum power transfer. Power transfer is possible in this case. Is possible. Okay, that we know that formula RL dash is equal to RL by N square. We can use this formula for impedance matching. Generally, the output impedance of the collector circuit will be much bigger than the load. Okay, but if it is not matching, the maximum power cannot be transferred to the load. This you can understand if you know that maximum power transfer theorem. The maximum power transfer theorem, that is the Thevenin's, the output voltage in the second port should be equal to the load connected across the second port, right? Next, we will see about the disadvantages now. Disadvantages. Due to transformer, first disadvantage is, why? Because the main disadvantage is the transformer will be heavy. Okay, there is a main disadvantage here. Because of that, it is costlier compared to the directly coupled class A power amplifier. Due to transformer, the circuit becomes bulkier. The circuit becomes bulkier or bulkier, or heavier, HEAVIER, heavier and costlier. So bulkier, heavier and costlier because of the transformer. This is the first disadvantage. And second one is, the circuit is complicated to design. The circuit is complicated compared to directly coupled class A power amplifier. The circuit is complicated. To design. And implement. To design and implement is very complicated compared to directly coupled class A amplifier. Compared to directly coupled class A power amplifier. Third one, for three advantages, three disadvantages are there. So third one is, the frequency response of the circuit is poor. The frequency response of the circuit is poor. Okay. If we increase the frequency, that voltage gain will not be increased. Okay. It is not linear, we can say. Now, we'll see for numerical now, so that you can understand the concept well. But to do this numerical, you should know that transformer equation and that What is that? RL dash equal to RL by n square. That one, that expression are required. And you should know what is RMS value, what is maximum value, what is amplitude, and all these things. Primary side and secondary side. Okay. Example, the load, the loudspeaker of 8 ohms is connected to the secondary of the output transformer. The loudspeaker of 8 ohms is connected to the secondary of the output transformer of a class A amplifier circuit of a class A transformer circuit. The quiescent collector current is the quiescent QUI SCENT, quiescent, that is quiescent collector current is collector current, that is ICQ. Quiescent current is 140 milliamps. ICQ. For input power, we can use this. VC C into ICQ, that is input power. The turns ratio of the transformer is the turns ratio of the transformer is 3:1. This also you should understand. From this, how to obtain that N2 by N1. The collector supply voltage is 10 volts. The VCC is equal to 10 volts. If AC power delivered to the loudspeaker is 0.48 watts. Assuming ideal transformer, assuming ideal transformer calculate first one, calculate PAC delivered across the primary. PAC across primary. Second point is find out V2 RMS. Third one, V1 RMS. Fourth one, I2 RMS. Fifth one, I1 RMS. Sixth one, PDC, power dissipation. Last one, not last one, seventh one, efficiency. And the eighth one, PDC and PD. Eighth one, PD, power dissipation. And sixth one is DC power, PDC. Okay, we'll find out all these things.
8 ohms.
ఉమేష్ అట్లీస్ట్ నువ్వన్నా మాట్లాడుతున్నావు, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరికీ నోరు గుట్టుకున్నట్టుంది మాడకూడదని. జస్ట్ సిట్టింగ్ beside your mobile or laptop. So tell me the given data. Umesh, what is the given data?
Sir, 8 ohms. Sir,
What is the
loudspeaker అనేది కనెక్ట్ అయింది సెకండరీ సైడ్.
సెకండరీ సైడ్ కనెక్ట్ అయింది కదా.
అవును.
రైట్. RL is equal to 8 ohms. లౌడ్ స్పీకర్ ఉందనుకుంటే దాని లోడ్ వచ్చేసి 8 ohms. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ I2 అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ I1. N1, N2 and this is V1, this is V2 for the transformer. So V1 is nothing but what is V1? V1, V2, V1, I1 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తున్నాయి మనకు? From the collector circuit, is it not? So I1 will get from the collector circuit only. What is that I1? IC. IC is nothing but I1, is it not? And VC is nothing but V1. Okay? So from the given data, I will write RL is equal to 8 ohms and ICQ is equal to 140 milliamps and PAC is equal to 0.48 watts. That is the power developed in the collector circuit, in the primary output power of the collector circuit. That is PAC. Since it is ideal transformer, same power will be there in the secondary also. Ideal transformer kavatti. Okay. So PAC is equal to 0.48 watts. And this is the ratio given. That is the turns ratio, we can call it as. And the turns ratio is specified like this: N1 by N2 is to 1. This is the turns ratio. This is the specification we use for any transformer. It is okay on the transformer. It will be written like this: N1 by N2 is to 1. Okay, it is given as 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. So N1 by N2 is equal to 3, not N2 by N1. N1 by N2 is equal to 3. So in the given data, I can write N1 by N2 is equal to 3. You just understand this. The examination also they will give like this. So you have to just remember this. N1 by N2 is to 1, not N2 by N1. Actually, the turns ratio is N2 by N1. Turns ratio N is equal to N2 by N1. Okay, this is turns ratio. Okay, the mark but the turns ratio for the transformer, this is the specification. This is the specification, we can say. Specification. Okay. So N is equal to N2 by N1. There won't be any change in this expression, but generally it is specified like this. N1 by N2 is to 1 is equal to 3 is to 1. So N1 by N2 is equal to 3. So what will be N now? N will be equal to 1 by 3. Since N is equal to N2 by N1. Okay. The turns ratio is equal to 1 by 3. But turns ratio of the transformer is given like this, then N will be 1 by 3. Okay. And N is equal to 1 by 3. Power is given. What is the first question? Find the PAC across primary. Already given. PAC across primary is 0.48 watts. Already given. So first question is 0.48 watts. Okay, already given. Then how to find out V2 RMS? What is the power formula? Can anyone tell me what is the power formula? Power. Simple questions కూడా ఆన్సర్ చేయకపోతే ఎట్లా పిల్లలు మీరు పవర్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి. V into I. Strictly speaking, it is VRMS into IRMS. And VRMS into IRMS, it is also equal to V square by R తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Load is RL. Since we need this V2 RMS. Okay. First let us find out V1 RMS and then we will find out V2 RMS. Okay. By using the transformer equation. So V1 RMS into I1 RMS is equal to 0.48 watts, and this can be written as V1 RMS square by RL dash. So what is RL dash? This is replaced by RL, right? Primary. So what is RL dash? RL dash is equal to RL by N square. So which is equal to what is 1 by N? N is 1 by 3. So 1 by N will be 3. So it is 9 into
1 by
RL.
9.
Okay. So 9 into RL is 72 ohms. 72 ohms. So V square by RL is PAC in the primary side. It is also equal to secondary side. Same power will be same power will be there in the secondary also. Okay. We'll develop across the secondary, we can say. So PAC is equal to V1 RMS by RL, which implies V1 RMS is equal to PAC into RL dash under root, which is equal to 0.48 into 72 under root. So it is equal to V1 RMS is equal to 5.88 volts. Okay, V1 RMS is equal to 5.88 volts. Then how to find out V2 RMS? V2 RMS, you can use the transformer equation. V1 RMS by V2 RMS is equal to N1 by N2. So from that equation, you can find out V1 RMS. Already we know V2 RMS and we know that N1 by N2 also. What is N1 by N2? Is 3. N1 by N2 is 3. Substitute here and then get the answer. So third one we have found, okay, the primary side. Then V1 RMS by V2 RMS is equal to N1 by N2, which is equal to 3. So V1 RMS is equal to, we need V2 RMS, right? V2 RMS is equal to V1 RMS by 3. So what is V1 RMS? That is 5.88 by 3. Which is equal to 1.96. 96 volts. Okay. V2 RMS is 1.96 volts. And how to find out I2 RMS? Anyone tell me how to find out I2 RMS? I2 RMS. I told you the power in the input side will be equal to the power in the output side also. Power is given as 0.48 watts, right? So what is the formula for power in terms of current? It is I square RL. So you can write it as I2 RMS square into RL, not RL dash. In the secondary we are talking about, right? The secondary side the power is 0.48, same power in input side as well as in the secondary also same power will be developed. Okay. So I2 RMS square into RL is equal to 0.48. From that equation, we can find out I2 RMS. Here 0.48 watts, here also 0.48 watts. Okay. So in the output side, it is I2 RMS square into RL. Input side, it is I1 RMS square into RL dash. RL dash. So this is equal to 0.48 watts. Now we will use this equation now. So I2 RMS square into RL is 8 is equal to 0.48 watts. So I2 RMS is equal to 0.48 by 8 under root. Okay. 0.06 root of 0.06 which is equal to 0.2449 amperes. Units compulsory రాయండి. So I2 RMS is 0.2449 amps. Then how to find out I1 RMS? At least ఇదని చెప్పండి మీరు. How to find out I1 RMS? Just by using the transformer equation, you can find out I1 RMS. Since already we know I2 RMS, you use that equation, that is I1 RMS by I2 RMS is equal to N1 by N2. Or I1 RMS by I2 RMS is equal to I1 by I2 కాబట్టి రివర్స్ ఉంటుంది. I1 by I2 is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to N2 by N1, right? Use that formula. We know I2 RMS. Let us find out I1 RMS now. I1 RMS not known. I2 RMS is known, is equal to N2 by N1. Or you can use this power equation I1 RMS square into that RL dash is equal to 0.48. That also you can use. This or you can use this transformer equation. So I1 RMS is equal to I2 RMS and the 0.2449 into N2 by N1 is 1 by 3, which is equal to 81.64 milliamps. So I1 RMS is 81.64 milliamps. So what is PDC? Can you tell me what is PDC? PDC, input power. What is that? VCC into ICQ. And the circuit itself I have just shown by arrow mark in the last class. VCC into the current nearby, that will be ICQ. Okay. What is that ICQ? Let us find out PDC now. PDC is equal to VCC into ICQ. VCC is already given, that is, where is that VCC? 10 volts. In the given data, you should write VCC is equal to 10 volts. So 10 into ICQ is 140 into 10 to the power minus 3. So input power is 1.4 watts. 1.4 watts. So what is efficiency? Efficiency is equal to PDC by PAC. I already found that PAC. So efficiency is equal to PAC by PDC. PAC is 0.48 already given, but not for 0.48 by 1.4, which is equal to 34.28%. 34.28%. It is more than 25%, but not 50%. So ideally, it was 50% when we derived. Okay. PDC, okay, efficiency over, and the last one is power dissipation. What is the formula for power dissipation? Can you tell me? You can tell me, then I can assume that you are following the lesson. So what is the power dissipation? Power dissipation is equal to input power minus output power. Power dissipation is nothing but the power wasted in the passive elements such as resistors and junctions of the transistor. Okay, J1 and J2. Resistors ఏముంటాయి, లోడ్ ఒకటి, బేస్ రెసిస్టర్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ పవర్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో PD, power dissipation is equal to PAC, PDC minus PAC. What is PDC? PDC is 1.4 minus PAC is 0.48, which is equal to 0.92 watts. Okay. With this, we have finished all the questions. Almost 7, I think 8 we have done successfully. I think everybody has followed this. In the next class, we'll see about distortion in the amplifiers. Very important topic, distortions. Okay, roll number 1. Vinay Kumar.
Present, sir.
Madan.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sarita. Sarita.
Present, sir.
Sunil. Yaswant. Pravalika. Mahit. Manasa. Gangadhar.
Present, sir.
Saranya. Abhinaya.
Present, sir.
Srija.
Present, sir. 211 present, sir.
11 present. Saranya present, huh?
Yes, sir.
12 present, sir.
Saranya
13 present, sir.
Okay, Srija 13. 13 present. Okay. Kirti 14. Venkatesh.
Sir, 12 present, sir.
Present mark చేసి అభినయ. Okay, Venkatesh. Nitish Kumar Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Amulya. Nitish
Present,
Kumar. Okay. Amulya
Yes, sir.
present. Okay. Nitish present. Amulya also present. Vikas. Madhavi. Sangeeta.
Present, sir.
Shashi Kumar. Ravi Teja.
Signal problem, sir.
Ravi Teja ka?
Yes, sir.
Prasad Reddy. Prasad Reddy. Prasad Reddy చూసే వచ్చినట్టుండే. Prasad Reddy. Okay, Dinesh.
Present, sir.
Dinesh present. Ajay. శివ కవిత,
Present, sir.
శ్రీనాథ్, తరుణ్,
Present, sir.
ప్రియాంక,
Present, sir.
భాష, జాక్ షరీఫ్, జాక్ షరీఫ్ వచ్చినట్టుంది, ఉన్నాడా? రైట్. యాసిన్,
Present, sir.
వంశీకృష్ణ,
Present, sir.
రేణుక,
Present, sir.
సుప్రియ,
Sir, 36 present.
present.
37 present,
Okay.
sir.
37 also present. 38 absent. Sandeep, to Pravalika,
Present, sir. Present.
Venkat,
సార్ 38, 30, 39 వాళ్ళకి నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లం అంట సార్.
ఓకే 39 మార్క్ చేశా. 38 ప్రవీణ్,
ప్రెజెంట్ సార్, సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం సార్.
38 రావట్లేదు కదా, ఈరోజు వచ్చిందా?
ఈరోజు వచ్చింది సార్.
7, 8, 9
సార్ 208
19 present, sir.
19
Yes, sir.
19 మాధవి,
సార్ 8 ప్రెజెంట్ సార్.
49 సార్.
మహిత్. ఓకే ఒకసారి అయిపోయి లాస్ట్కి వచ్చాం కదా, మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి పోవడం ఎందుకు? తర్వాత క్లారిఫికేషన్స్ చెప్తారు, ఎవరైనా ఉంటే మార్క్ చేస్తా. ఓకే నౌ వీఆర్
249 సార్.
42 అయిపోయి అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 42 విషిత.
Present, sir.
ఓకే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా ఫస్ట్ వై ప్రవల్లిక.
Present, sir.
ప్రవల్లిక వాయిస్లు ఒకటే ఉన్నాయి. శ్రీనివాసులు ఆబ్సెంట్. లోకేష్ ఆబ్సెంట్. నాగరాజు ఆబ్సెంట్. అనూష
Present, sir.
అనూష ప్రజెంట్. సందీప్ 48
ఆప్షన్ సార్.
ఆబ్సెంట్. తరుణ్
ప్రెజెంట్ సార్.
ప్రజెంట్. వంశీకృష్ణ, ప్రవీణ్ వై ప్రవీణ్. ఉమేష్ చంద్, మేఘనా
253 ప్రెజెంట్ సార్.
ఉమేష్ చంద్ మార్క్ చేసేలే. మేఘనా, ఈశ్వర్
Present, sir.
ఈశ్వర్ వచ్చినట్టుంది. అదే
Sir, 223 present, sir. Signal problem.
223
Yes, sir.
ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి, అదే అంటే కదా ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డిను గమనించండి.
Yes, sir.
ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్
8 ప్రెజెంట్ సార్.
ఏ నెంబరు?
208
8 మహిత్, దారా మహిత్.
ప్రెజెంట్ సార్.
ఓకే దారా మహిత్. ఓకే మార్క్ చేశా. ఇంకెవరు?
201, sir.
201 సుజిత. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ వికాస్, ఎవరన్నా ఉన్నాడా? వికాస్ వచ్చిందా? రైట్. ఎవరికైనా సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం కానీ ఏమైనా మెసేజ్లు వస్తే చెప్పండి. ఓకే విత్ దిస్ వీఆర్ క్లోజింగ్ దిస్ సెషన్. The next class I will start a new topic, that is on distortions in amplifiers. Very important, exam ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తుంది.